Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to find a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it should be at the very bottom of this list. All we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the previous section, to the general settings, and enter the system which is right above the About Phone. Right here we've got the developer options active, so let's tap on them, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, we've got really a lot of options to choose from. So for example, we can manage the animation scale, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So really a lot of options to customize. If you want to turn on the option, basically it works just like in the regular settings. So tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied and visible. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on them to open much more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this switcher, which is attached to the top of this list, so it does not move. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping to activate them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.